Today we are working on the 2013 CX5 and we are going to be replacing the crankshaft sensor. This should be pretty simple, may take only 20-30 minutes or so. I believe it only requires one 10mm bolt that holds it in there. So if you need to replace your crankshaft sensor on your 2.5 Skyactiv, then hey, stay along for the ride. You're gonna need to just take off the engine cover. So I normally just grab it right here under the bottom, give it a little tug, pops right off. So take that, move it to the side. Locate the crankshaft position sensor, and it is right there. Crankshaft position sensor right there. Like I said, there's one 10mm bolt that is under the bottom, and then the harness right there. So the bolt is a 8mm, and I had to use a swivel and a 1/4 inch to get to the bottom of the bolt since it's down at an angle. And then I used my magnet to catch the bolt before it dropped down somewhere that I never would have found it. So with this combination, you can get it loose. So now let's get the sensor out. Let's unplug it from the harness. Let's make sure the sensor we have is the same as the one that we are taking out. All right, so the sensor is out. And it appears to be the same sensor, but backwards. Huh? So I think this might be the wrong sensor because it's not facing the correct way. So let me see if the harness plugs up to it. But even if the harness plugs up to it, I don't think it's gonna work. So let me check on this. It is indeed the incorrect crank position sensor, but if it was the right one, you would just reinstall the opposite of what you uninstalled it. And since I don't have the correct one to install it, I'm going to install the old one back in, which would be the same thing if you installed the new replacement. So the only thing special that you will need for this would be a swivel adapter, and these came from Harbor Freight. It came in a 3-pack. It came with a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2. This is my first time using the 1/4 inch one. Like I said, you will need a 8mm socket. It doesn't have a whole lot of room, so you'll probably need a 1/4 inch drive. 3/8 drive may be too big to get in that tight little space. So now that you have the old one removed, install your new one in reverse and enjoy not having your check engine light. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I can put some links in the description if you need to find something. But until next time, think, build, enjoy. Peace.